fascinating facts about the human brain. 3 pounds is the average brain weight. 60% of the brain is fat, the most of any organ. 85% of the brain is the cerebrum. 75% of the brain is water. 250,000 neurons produced per minute in early pregnancy. 18 is the approximate age at which the brain stops growing. Your brain recognizes your touch, so you can't tickle yourself. Stress alters brain cells and function. Dreaming requires more brain activity than any waking function. Music increases brain organization. You have an average of 70,000 thoughts per day. Your brain needs 20% of your blood and oxygen to function. A brain chemical called oxytocin makes you feel love. Your brain can't feel pain. A headache involves nerves and muscles in your head.